girl called this and that. Do it for my this and that. We gon' do it for my girl called this and that. Do it for my this and that. We gon' do it for my girl called this and that. Do it for my this and that. We gon' do it for my girl.
What's up, guys?
This is Karthik.
I'm Anurag.
So guys, we are here talking about the recent vaping ban in India. We're as clueless as you guys are about why this vaping ban has happened in India.
It was just about a year ago when we quit smoking and we switched to vaping, and we decided to invest in identical mods, which is the Smoan Sharon TC218 topped up with a Blitzen RTA rebuildable tank atomizer.
So guys, irrespective of this ban, we wanted to conduct an experiment and really figure out that if we order this mod, would it get delivered to us or not?
And guess what? It did. We want to share the unboxing with all of you. Let's get right into it. The Voopoo drag.
So guys, this is the box. Says Voopoo drag with the gene chip. We went for the rainbow resin edition. Love the black and red accents out here. Says designed by Voopoo in California. That's amazing. So one side note we'd like to make is that whenever you're ordering online, make sure that you order through an authorized reseller to ensure that you get a genuine product. So this is the scratch code for that, and this is how the box looks. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it.
So guys, let's do it. The Voopoo drag. In all its entirety. That was the best part, just for all of you. Alright guys, this is the part I've been waiting for. I'm sure all of you have been as well. That's the beauty right here. The Rainbow Edition Voopoo drag. Wow. So that's what is called slick and pretty at the same time. This is a box mod, and it's a dual battery box mod. See the etching of the drag right here. It's so smooth, doesn't feel like a sticker. Possibly it's laser etched. Let's open the casing. There you go. It's a full dual battery box mod. And I quite like this design where Voopoo's written, because usually all box mods come with just a black tape at the back. That's your positive and negative charges on both the batteries. And it says just drag, which is pretty cool. And gene chip as well. All right. Now, keep in mind, you can only fit tanks up to 25 millimeters in diameter on the top. If you put anything more than that, you're gonna have an overhang. None of us like an overhang. So 25 mm it is on this one. So you could fit in tanks all types of RTAs, RDAs and sub-ohms, right from the Smoke Big Baby or the Big Baby Beast, which I believe is 25 mm, as well as RDAs like the Bonza and the Dead Rabbit. Bonza by Wandy Vape or Dead Rabbit by Hell Vape. You can get it in both the versions. The Dead Rabbit, you can get it in an RDA version as well as an RTA version, which looks pretty sick. You could go for any of the smoke tanks like I said, which are all the Baby Beasts. And if you really want to go for true RTAs, maybe we can recommend the one that we are currently using, which is the Geek Vape Blitzen, which is a true 25 mm RTA tank. we would suggest going for a black or a gold tank because it's going to make it look insane. What say you guys? Anyhow, that's the Voopoo drag, 157 watts. Most of the vapors go for 60 to 80 watts, but this goes all the way up to 157 watts. And guys, we did this for you. Click to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Feel free to comment and we will get back to you. Peace.
Alright guys, so just a small announcement we wanted to make.
First week of December, keep an eye out. We're going to be doing a super giveaway for all you awesome boys and girls out there who like to vape like us. One of our devices is yours. Stay tuned, subscribe, like to know who's the winner and what you get.
See you guys on the other side.